To watch and share Drive TV, like the video with the bell notifications on. It helps the discoverability of the video if you like the video. What's going on, y'all? I just learned something new today. I'm not too sure if it's in the manual, but this is about the Radmini. How to do 24 miles an hour. I think it's 24.8 or something. That's the max speed. And it might be in the manual, but I didn't really observe the manual too well. But this is the way you do 24. The maximum miles per hour on the factory setting is 20 miles an hour. But I'm going to show you right now how to change it from 20 to 25. And vice versa. What you want to do is you're going to hold the top button and the bottom button simultaneously, just like this. Right? Top button and bottom button at the same time. You're going to hold it until you get some kind of notification on the screen. First, let me turn it on by holding the middle button. So now, press it down simultaneously. Just hold it until you see something. Until you see this symbol on the keypad or on the pad. When you see that, you go back here. You press up. Press the up button. And it goes up to 24, 20, go all the way to the top. That's 26 is the highest it can go, right? 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, that's the highest. Now you go back here and press mode, press the mode button. Once you press the mode button, it'll give another setting. You go all the way to the top again. Bring it all the way up to the top. 36, 30, 40, 40 is the highest it can go, right? Put it all the way to 40, right? Press mode again, let's see what happens. You're on level, what level you want to be on? The highest level is 3, you go to level 3, press mode again. Then it's set. It's set right now, right? So what you do now, you're going to turn it off and turn it back on. See, 26, 40, and 3. Right? So you turn it off by holding down the mode button. See? And went to regular settings now. You know? So watch this now. I'm gonna hold the camera by the keypad. But I keep saying keypad, I don't know why. I'm holding the camera by the speedometer. And I'm gonna push the throttle as I lift the bike up. You see? That's what I'm telling y'all. And one of the 24.5. One of the 24.5. And 32 is the maximum watch. I think 34 is the maximum watch. And that's how you make your bike go faster. There you put down there. You can also put it extremely low and then it won't go past 11 miles per hour. You put all of the assistant level past, you can put it on 1. Let me tell you what the settings is. You can put it down there. Let me tell you what the settings is, right? So I'm with the mode. Alright. Good looking. Alright, so you can press mode, right? We're gonna see what the settings is. Remember I said hold the up button and hold the down button? If you want to be cautious when you're riding in the streets, you could set it to the point where it won't exceed a certain miles per hour. You know, and on level 1, right? See, 16. I got on 16 right here. All right. And 12 kilometers. That's the maximum. See, the maximum was 11. It went to 11, and then it stayed at 11. You know what I'm saying? Just in case you don't want to go too fast, you know, you can set it to that, to the lowest level, just so it can stay above 12 miles an hour. And this one, I got the speed level on 1. I think it's the speed level. So that's how you mess around with your speed. You know what I mean? On the Radmini 2000, I got the 2019 version. All right, y'all. Peace out.